Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the first Casio fishing watch to be featured on this channel, the Casio WS-1500. It's a rugged timepiece designed with functions for anglers and anyone who needs moon phase and fish level graph. The WS-1500 is available in several color options, but today I'm reviewing the basic 1AV variant, which features a black color theme with a positive display. At first glance, the WS-1500's presence stands out with its chunky dimensions. The large digital display with LCA and visualization graphs is clear and easy to read, and the colorful LCD background makes it even more interesting. Holding the watch, it feels sturdy and just the right weight. The case material and the pen looks durable, giving it a solid feel, and it appears to be well designed to handle outdoor activities. And here it is compared to the popular AE1500, almost the same size, but the WS is slightly smaller in diameter but thicker. The current street price is around $30 depending on the variant and seller. I'm not a seller, but you can buy this watch using the affiliate link I will include in the description. The WS-1500 comes with the following specifications. The case size is 54.5mm long, 50.1mm wide, and 16.8mm thick. Yes, it's large. The weight is 58 grams, a bit heavy for a non-G-Shock Casio digital. The case material is resin. The band is polyurethane resin with plastic buckle. The crystal is resin glass, which is prone to scratches. The water resistance is 100 meters, suitable for swimming and many water activities, including snorkeling. The battery life is approximately 10 years on a CR2032, and the accuracy is 30 seconds per month. And then for the calendar, it's full auto calendar up to 2099. Let's take a look at the modes and features. Number 1, the timekeeping mode. It displays hour, minute, second, day, month, and date. Above the main display are the LCA, the fish level graph, and the moon phase indicator showing the current status. Number 2, fish level and moon phase mode. This mode previews the fish level and moon phase status over time. Casio calculates the fish level based on the moon phase. The theory is related to gravitational forces of the moon and sun, which create higher tides during the new and full moons. As explained by fishingbooker.com, the idea behind fishing by moon phase is that the bigger the tide, the more active the fish. The strongest tides happen twice a month, during a new moon when the sun and moon are both pulling in the same direction, and during the full moon when they are pulling on the opposite sides of the planet. The third mode is stopwatch. It features 1/100 of a second precision and a range up to 24 hours with elapsed time and split time functions. Number 4, countdown timer mode. The timer has a range of up to 24 hours with settings for hours and minutes. It also features auto repeat. And then number 5, alarm mode. It includes 3 multifunction alarms with snooze option for alarm number 1. It also has an hourly signal. And then the last one is the dual time mode. This lets you set a second time zone with hour, minute, and daylight saving settings. Unfortunately, on my unit, this mode has a bug. It only displays 12-hour number and doesn't show PM times, similar to my WS-1700. I wonder why this issue happens in products from such a reputable brand like Casio. Now let's take a closer look. The bulky dimensions and protective shape around the sides and front make this watch resemble the G-Shock lineup. The front protrusion protects the resin crystal, reducing the risk of scratches and bumps. The design feels like it has similarities to the AE1500, especially in the upper and lower bezel shape, decorative screw patterns, lug shape, and strap design. The assembly and finishing are solid. The backplate is stainless steel, secured with 4 screws and engraved with specifications. The resin band is decently thick yet flexible, with a light but sturdy plastic buckle. Now let's talk about the display. The large LCD on the left side with a greenish background shows the current home city time in timekeeping mode and the fish level or moon phase mode, but not in the other modes. It is different than the world time models such as the AE1200 and the likes, where the LCA always shows current home city time. And then the fish level graph on the top right has a bluish background showing the likelihood of fish activity. And then the moon graph below has a yellowish background, slightly slanted for a more organic feel. And on the main display we have large and bold digits that are easy to read. Below that are indicators for snooze, alarm, and signal with a blue background. The combination of colors for each indicator is refreshing. This alone makes the watch desirable to have. I've seen many people modify their Casio watches LCD like the AE1200 to achieve this effect. About the backlight, it's on the lower left and right with an amber color and has afterglow effect. It's not too bright but effective for reading the display in the dark. The 4 textured buttons, adjust and mode on the left, light and search on the right, are easy to grip and press. The case design includes a button frame which help reduce accidental presses. Overall, not bad for a budget level watch. Now let's talk about the comfort and durability. Yes, the watch is quite large, but somehow the strap grips firmly on my medium wrist. It only has a little overhang thanks to the angled strap to lock connection. The strap is flexible and the airflow helps to keep it cool. However, it's not something that fits well under long sleeves. Also, if you're used to a slim watch, this will feel heavier on your wrist. Looking at the case design with its protective profile on the sides and front, this watch should be able to withstand daily activities. The strap also has decent thickness that will not easily break. However, the use of resin glass means it is still prone to scratches. On the other side, regarding the accuracy of the fish level graph, I cannot really confirm since I'm not a fisher. But looking at the science behind it and the accuracy of the moon graph, it should be good enough to provide basic predictions. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the good side, number 1, it has functional design with moon phase and fishing level indicators. And then number 2, it has beautiful LCD background color combination. And then number 3, it has long battery life, 10 years and 100 meters water resistance. Number 4, it has comfortable fit despite its size. Number 5, it has easy to read display with effective backlight. And then number 6, affordable price for the features. On the other side, there are also things to consider. Number 1, it's large size, too chunky for some. And then number 2, the resin glass is less scratch resistant compared to mineral glass. And then the last one, bug in the dual time function. In conclusion, the WS-1500 from Casio is a cool looking watch with durable specifications and features designed for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts. Its moon phase and fishing level indicators make it a valuable tool for planning water-based activities. While there's a bug in the dual time function, which I hope Casio has addressed in later patches, the watch offers excellent value for its price. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.